Hi everyone. This is a bit of a fun video for the kids and parents. What I'm trying to show in this video is how to make multiplication tables for kids. Most of the kids are staying safe at home these days, having online classes. So this video will show the parents how to make a multiplication table for kids. Right, so let's get started. If you see in this cell, I have made a drop down which is basically numbers incrementing from 1 till 12. You can do this data validation by going to the data tab, and in the data tools you will find data validation. You will click on the data validation box. In the settings you will choose list, and in the source you will type in your numbers separated by comma. Right, in my case I have done it from 1 till 12. So you'll click on OK and you will have your drop down like so. Now we will come to cell B1, and here we will highlight 12 rows because we have 12 numbers in our multiplication table. You will click on the equal sign, you will click on this box, and you will click on the F4 function key and press Ctrl Enter. So what this gives us is the number 10, and since I've made it into an absolute reference, it gives me the same number in all the 12 rows. Let's do a little bit of formatting. Go to the home tab and make it into the center. Now you will click on cell C1, you will write equal sign, and what we need to type in here is the X, which denotes the multiplication sign. Give space, close the inverted commas, join it with the row function. Now since I'm doing this in row 1, this should give me row 1, right? Click on enter and it gives me multiplication by 1. Drag this down so it should give me all the 12 numbers. Let's bring this in the center. Let's come to cell D1 now. Now you will go to the formulas tab. Let's give a named formula. Click on name manager, click on new, and I will type row underscore multiplier. In your case you can give any name. In my case I've just named it row multiplier. In the refers to box we will remove this and we will write here the row function, open bracket, close bracket, and click on OK. Close the dialog box. Here we will say equals. We will give this cell reference and multiply it by our named formula, which is the row multiplier. There you can see the small symbol which is like a table. This shows you that you have a named formula. Double click on this, press enter, and then drag your formula down. So it should give you all the numbers multiplied by this column. Right, so your table is now done. Let's do a little bit of formatting. Let's highlight this, give it a little bit of borders, and your table is good to go. So if you choose number 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 12s are 144, and choose table number 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 12s are 72. So now your table is ready and good to go, and I hope that you will enjoy this. If you can do this and set this up for your kids who are most probably from grade 1 to grade 5 or grade 6 and who get a little bit of difficulty in learning the tables, this is a little bit of fun for them and they can learn these tables in Excel. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks again for watching.